Hi everyone, in this video we will look at how to create this glitch effect one more time over a black background. This is all created natively in PowerPoint, so no external software is required. Also, this is editable, so you can change this text to any other text you want. Here is how to create it. On a new slide, go to Insert, click on text box, create a text box, type in glitch effect. Let's make this all caps. I'm going to change the font to Arial Black. Let's make the font size 88. Let me place that in the center. Next, duplicate this 3 times. Next, let's color these one by one. So this one can be red. This one can be cyan. Let's make this one a green. Then under Home menu, click on Select. Click on Selection Pane. Let's name these so we know what's what when we are animating. So this text box 2 is green. Text box 3 is cyan. This one's red. And this one's going to be either black or white depending on the background color. So let's make this B and W. We need our black text to be way at the top. So let's drag this layer above red. Then select the 3 text boxes for red, cyan and green color. Right click, click on Format Object, click on Text Options. Click on this middle button called Text Effects. Open this glow menu. Specify a size of 5 points. Then select the red text. Go to the glow menu again. Select red color for the glow effect. For cyan, select the cyan color glow. For green, select green. It's time to animate our text. So select all 4 text boxes, go to Animations, open up all the animations, click on More Emphasis Effects, select Blink at the bottom, click OK. Let's click on Animation Pane so we can see our animations on the right. Let's start these with Previous. Select your black text, enter the duration as 0.2 seconds and the delay as 0.2 seconds. Select the red text, give this a duration of 0.25 seconds and delay as 0.1. Cyan can be just 0.2 seconds and delay is fine at 0 seconds. Let's specify the green duration as 0.25 seconds. Next, select this black text, click on Add Animations, click on Random Bars. Start this with Previous, enter the duration as 0.25 seconds. And delay as 0.2 seconds. Then select your red, green and cyan text. Click on Add Animations and click on Disappear. We need these to start after Previous. For one final animation, select the black text. Click on Add Animations. Select Lines Animation under Motion Paths. Click on Effect Options. Select Right. Let's drag this endpoint to somewhere closer here. Then select this line animation on the right hand side. Click on Effect Options. Click on Auto Reverse. Go to Timings. We need this to start after Previous. Specify the duration as 0.05 seconds. Click OK. Then let's arrange these red, green and cyan text boxes slightly off center with respect to the black text. So green can be slightly to the right and down. Cyan can be left and down. Red can be up and left. Now you can make your creative choice here. This is completely random. We just need these to be slightly off position to our original text. So when we run the animation, it creates the illusion of a glitch. Okay, as a finishing touch, let's add a background image. So go to Insert, click on Pictures, select Stock Images, type in background, and I'm going to select this background here. Click insert. Let's enlarge this to fill up the slide area. We can cut off the excess, then send this image to back, and our effect is ready. Let's test this out in full screen mode. One more time. To create a white version of this, just duplicate this slide, delete the background image, change the black text to white, select a dark image. So go to pictures, stock images, type in noise. I'm going to select this image. Let's reduce its opacity. So I'm going to tone this down by increasing the transparency to 20%. While we are at it, let's also blur this slightly. So click on picture format, go to artistic effects and select this blur option, which is in the second row, extreme right, then send this to back. Let's check this in full screen mode. Alright, it's as easy as that. Let me show you how to edit this. So let's duplicate our original slide. Let's say you wanted to replace this text with your text. The crude way to do this is you will separate these out and then just type your text one by one. Or there is a better way. From home menu, enable selection panel, which is under select menu. First, edit your black and white text, which is at the top, so you can easily get access to it. Then copy that text, select red. So here, red text has been selected. Press F2. This will go into the edit mode. You can type in your text here. Then click on cyan, press F2. You can paste your text this time. Finally, green, F2, paste it. For some reason, I have made the H for red text capital. So let me change that to a small h. And we are done. Let's check this in full screen mode. And that's it. I will be sharing a link to this file in the description. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for future videos, and I will catch you next time.